the Vogelkop bowerbird. He might lack the plumage, but he's got an extraordinary repertoire of song, and he's a wonderful mimic. Those are pigeon wing beats. That's a modest tiger parrot. And that a sulphur-crested cockatoo. Even more surprising, he's an avid collector, with a very appreciative eye for colour. This male favours red and orange flowers. And he's very fond of fungus. Not everything he collects stays where it should. He puts these treasures on display within and around a construction that has taken him years to build. A giant bower woven around a central sapling, carpeted with moss. This grand design is no nest, it's the ultimate seduction parlour. But he's not alone on this hillside. He's got 6 rivals within earshot. This one prefers darker colours, decorating his bower with deer dung and charcoal. Visual effect is of crucial importance. Clearly, he hadn't planned on all this sprouting fungus. Competition is intense. It's the dung ball bower that is the first to catch the female's attention. But on closer inspection, she's less convinced. Perhaps it was that sprouting fungus. Back at the flower bower, the male performs a dress rehearsal. He senses she's watching. His bower channels his song in her direction. A final check. All is to her liking. Few birds devote such craft, effort and ingenuity to achieve this life-defining moment.